Connect with any business, group, or organization on one. If you have received an invite to download one through SMS, email, WhatsApp, or even social media, click on the invite link to connect. You will be taken to one for End User app in Play Store. After you download the app, enter your mobile number and verify OTP. Enter your name. The invite from the business, group, or organization will be waiting for you. Tap to connect. Now click on Sign Up to verify if you will be using the app for yourself or on behalf of someone else. If on behalf of someone else, confirm the relationship, fill out the profile and save. Once the business verifies your profile, you will be able to see all information shared within the app. You are now inside the micro app of the business or organization you are connected with. Click on the back button on the top left of the screen and select Wall from the bottom of the screen. The chat icon here allows you to have private chats with the admins of the business or group you are connected with. Have one-on-one chat or chat within a group you are added to. Click on the profile photo on the top left corner of the app and add a picture. You can also add details to your personal profile. There are 4 icons in the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. The first icon, Wall, is where all the activities of the business you are connected with will show. The second icon, Apps, will display the list of businesses or organizations you are connected with. If you are connected with only one business or group, this section will open up their micro app. Else you can choose the business here and view messages shared with you. Menu is where you can explore different features of the app. Based on what the business sends you, you will find details within each of these sections. For example, if you click on Posts, all the posts shared with you will show. You can like, comment, or even share them outside on social media. The Events icon here will display a calendar with a list of events or appointments you are part of. You can select a specific date to see the events you will be participating in. Albums, as the name indicates, will have all the photos that are shared with you. Files will display a list of files shared with you. You can click on the name here and add any number of users to your app as well. Example, if a mother is connected to the app, she can add the father's profile and so on. When you open the app next time, the Wall section will show all the details shared by the business with you. Engage meaningfully.